If you want to get Spotify Premium for completely free, like no dollars paid at all, actually like really free, you are in the right place because today in this video, I'll show you exactly how can you get it for $0. So let's jump right into it all. You need to do is to follow carefully with me. And let's start. First, we need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Spotify app updated to the latest version so that when you log in it later, you face no problems with this method. After that, we need to go ahead and open your browser, and that's where we'll start from. You need to get to this page right here, and you might ask, how do I get there? Let me show you all. You need to do is to Google Spotify Premium Free. You'll get a lot of results. The first one should be the one from the official website of Spotify. Tap on it. To open it, you'll get back to this page again. Now you can tap on View Plans, and you'll find a lot of plans at the bottom. All of them give you from 1 to 2 months of free usage of Spotify Premium. As you can see, the one that we had in the top of this list is the best one. You can get 2 months for $0. So go ahead and tap on it from here. You need to log in with your Spotify account or create one. If you don't have one, I'm going to log in. It will take me to this page. All I need to do is to fill in the information from my credit card or my bank account or any payment method that I want to register here. So I'm just going to type in the details correctly from the street, city, location, like a state, anything. The zip code, make sure you fill up everything correctly. And of course, you can even use PayPal. It is at the bottom of this. These two options are right here. And as you can see here, it says that I will start paying beginning from April 10th. Today is February 10, so I have 2 months of $0. I need to pay nothing. And before the 10th of April, I can cancel my subscription just like that. And I got myself 2 months of Spotify. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and leave me your comments down below for me to check them out and reply to every single one. And thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.